Are you training for strength or size? The answer could change everything about your workout routine. Strength training and bodybuilding both use weights, but their goals are vastly different. Strength training focuses on improving muscular force production, measured by your 1 repetition maximum. Bodybuilding, or hypertrophy training, aims to increase muscle size and definition. Physical activity is any movement that increases energy use above resting levels. Exercise is a planned, repetitive, and structured subset of physical activity to improve health or fitness. Resistance training involves muscles creating force against a load, which can be external like a barbell or internal like body weight. Dynamic contractions involve muscles lengthening and shortening, while static contractions keep the muscle length the same. Strength training is designed to improve specific strength, often measured by one earned performance. Bodybuilding success is measured by muscle size, symmetry, and lean body mass. Muscle size and strength are correlated, but the relationship is complex and still being researched. Hypertrophy likely increases strength potential over time, but short-term strength gains are mostly neuromuscular. Strength training requires specific intensity, usually in the 65–85% range of your 1 RM. Bodybuilding can use a wider range of intensities, even lower than 65%. Strength athletes focus on exercises like squats, bench presses, and deadlifts. Bodybuilders use a variety of exercises to target muscle size and definition. Nutrition is crucial for both strength and hypertrophy training. Daily calorie intake should support healthy body fat and muscle mass levels. Consume 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily from lean sources. Carbohydrates should come from fiber-rich foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Limit foods with added sugar and focus on unsaturated fats from seafood and plants. Cardiorespiratory fitness, or cardio, is essential for overall health and should be included in all exercise programs. Strength training and bodybuilding both use resistance exercises but differ in representative ranges and exercise variety. Strength training focuses on fewer repetitions with higher intensity, while bodybuilding includes higher repetitions and more isolation work. Strength is the amount of muscular force in a specific context, like a 1 RM squat. Improving strength requires specific adaptations in the nervous and musculoskeletal systems. Training at higher intensities generally yields better strength gains. Higher training volume also leads to greater strength improvements, provided it can be tolerated. Bodybuilding focuses on increasing muscle size through hypertrophy, driven by muscle protein synthesis. Hypertrophy training uses a wider range of intensities and includes more isolation exercises. Both training styles benefit from a well-rounded diet and adequate rest. Whether you're aiming for strength or size, understanding these principles can help you achieve your fitness goals.